Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to talk about 4chan versus Reddit. So 4chan is a simple image based bulletin board where anyone can post comments and share images. So guys, 4chan is basically a bit like Reddit. It's also a bulletin board website. But here is a difference. You can post as an anonymous user as well over here, and you can see the boards over here. I cannot scroll down because there might be some inappropriate images. You can see creative interest, toys, video games, all sorts of sub boards are here, my friends. So guys, let's go and check it out. Check the ranking. The global ranking is 719, country rank is 349, category rank is 32 and is considered as an adult website. So total visits per month are 52.7 million. And you see some porn websites over here as it's being compared to 52.7 million this month. In November it got. Most of the traffic comes from United States of America. So guys, thing is that if we look at Reddit, on the other hand, its global ranking is number 19, country rank United States is number 12, and category rank is number 4. And it has a whopping 1.7 billion visits per month. So guys, 1.7 million visits per month, and almost 50% of the traffic is coming from the United States of America. In a detailed analysis, 719 to 19, and rank 349 to rank 12. So my friends, here are all the detailed analysis, and top countries USA. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar. Thanks for watching.